Have you ever pondered the significance of equipment maintenance in the mining industry? Well, let's dive into that. Equipment maintenance is the unheralded hero of the mining world. It's the silent partner that ensures productivity and safety, while also boosting overall operational efficiency. Imagine a high-performance engine. It roars to life, it powers through the task, and then it needs to cool down, rest, and receive some care. The same principle applies to mining equipment. The relentless work, the harsh conditions, the constant wear and tear, all of these require regular maintenance to keep the gears turning smoothly. Now, consider the flip side. Equipment breakdowns and unexpected downtime can be incredibly costly. They disrupt the workflow, delay projects, and can even compromise safety. And the financial toll, it can be enormous, eating into profits and causing a ripple effect throughout the operation. Without a doubt, equipment maintenance is a key player in the mining industry with a direct impact on the bottom line. Let's delve into a case where AI-powered predictive maintenance transformed the game. Picture a mining company nestled in the heart of Australia's rugged outback. The terrain is unforgiving, the conditions harsh, and the equipment, well, it's taken a beating. This company, let's call it Terra Miners, faced a recurring issue: unexpected equipment failures leading to costly downtime and safety risks. Terra Miners decided to embrace a new approach: AI-powered predictive maintenance. This technology uses machine learning algorithms to analyze data from sensors embedded in the equipment. It learns from historical data, identifies patterns, and predicts potential malfunctions before they occur. Within the first few months of implementation, the results were nothing short of impressive. Terra Miners reported a sharp decrease in unexpected equipment failures. The technology was able to forecast potential malfunctions days, sometimes even weeks in advance, giving the maintenance team ample time to intervene. This led to a significant reduction in downtime. Instead of scrambling to fix broken equipment, the maintenance team could now plan their interventions more efficiently. The result? A boost